If you're spring cleaning, be on the lookout for retro tech. Don't toss any tech out from the 80s or 90s. Some of these things are worth thousands. Your Tuesday Tech Update is brought to you by T-Mobile. Their advanced network now goes farther than ever before. Visit T-Mobile.com/55 today. Last week, a Nintendo Super Mario game in its original packaging was sold at auction for $660,000. Now, I know you probably don't have a Super Mario game in its original packaging to sell, but you never know what's tucked away in your home. So if you find any original video game cartridges in original wrappers, they're worth hundreds of thousands. An original iPhone in very fine shape is worth about $1,000. An original Nintendo 64, named after its 64-bit CPU, is worth a couple of hundred. Remember the Sony Walkman? Well, one in good shape is worth around $1,200. And the best place to check all these values is eBay. I'm Kim Komando. If you have an in-depth technical problem that's just too much for the show, I still want to help. Use the Komando forums to get your answer. Use promo code KIM to get 30 days free at getkim.com.